Hello, this is Myra Elaine on the Buying Space channel. Here I have a box from Amy Cool Ranch Dorito, and Amy is cool. So I'm going to see what's in this wonderful small package. I went to an auction where Amy was at. I don't know whether it was on her own channel or not. And I was busy that night. And I had to leave. And I didn't go back. And then I wanted to catch Amy on another auction, but was unable to. So she sent me an invoice after I bought this. And she's like, you know, if you want for me to hold your shipment, and you can, you know, or do you want me to just go ahead and send these items? And after that opportunity was missed, because I was too busy to go to that other auction or spend that much time at that auction, I went ahead and paid the invoice at that time because, well, I just didn't want to wait any longer. I've bought from Amy multiple times. She invoices and ships professionally. She does give her buyer's consideration. You know, like she emailed me and said, do you want to wait? Because I placed a small order for me, right? Here we go. Here is a beautiful, beautiful brooch. They're angel wings. And every single solitary stone is on there. And here's the bar for the pin for the brooch. But also, you could put this on a chain and make it a beautiful necklace if you don't wear brooches. And every single solitary rhinestone is in there. Just gorgeous. She has a wide variety of brooches. Oh, this one's broken, Amy. The pin fell off of it. And this is a beautiful cross. It could still be worn as a pendant, but it's disappointing that the pin broke off from it. But that happens in shipping sometimes. Although it looked very protected. I don't know if I can get that back on or not. I'm always afraid of harming myself with such things. I believe the metal is broken. I don't do jewelry craft. But I'll let Amy know what happened in shipping, that this came off in shipping, and see what she says. You all have a wonderful and blessed day, and I hope you're having a good holiday. It's during the holidays that I purchased these items to give as gifts. So, you know, it'd be different if I bought the cross for just myself. You know, because I could put it on a necklace and wear it, and it would be, okay. But if I give it as a gift and someone notices that it used to be a pen too, I'd almost have to buy a chain now with it too. So, anyway, I can give the wings away to an angel. I have an idea who I'm going to give that to. And I had an idea who I was going to give the cross to too. But I have many, many wonderful people that surround Marty and I, and that are good, intended people. And the people that try to get around us that are not good, intended people, they are not around us anymore or for very long. And that's how you need to go forward in life, is to keep the positive people around you and remove the toxic people. And Amy is a positive person, and she is my sister in Christ, and I wish her the best at everything. You all have a wonderful and blessed day.